Welcome to BBQPitBoys.com. Today we're grilling up some double chip cheeseburgers at the pit, and it's easy to do. All right, for the recipe, you're going to need some ground beef. Here we've got some shredded cheese. You're going to need, well, this is optional, a little bit of garlic powder. You're going to need some chips. That's the chip part of this recipe. And you're going to need some of your favorite seasoning. All right, let's put this together. Now, if you're sick and tired of the same old hamburgers at your party, picnic, whatever, you got to check this out. This changes the game. It makes eating burgers fun again. And all we're going to be doing is adding some chips. All right, first thing we're going to do is take about maybe a quarter-pound patty, more or less. You decide. Don't make them huge. Make them thin. Just like that, all right? Now, this is optional. You can take this recipe anywhere with your own favorite seasoning. We're putting a little bit of garlic powder on there just to crank up the garlic. And here we've got some of our SPG. Most of you know what this is all about. We're the originators of the SPG, often copied but never equaled, all right? And here we've got some of our big Texan. To kick it up a notch, you got to check this out. You head on over to our website and you can find these rubs. We appreciate your support when you do, seriously. All right, now, here we're going to add some shredded cheese. We're using a cheddar cheese, of course. Use your favorite cheese on your burgers, right? And after all, this is a double chip cheeseburger, right? All right, so now, take some tater chips, your favorite tater chips, your favorite flavored potato chips, right? Here we're using a little bit of barbecue. On this patty, we're going to use some sour cream and onion. Oh, yeah, you get the picture here, right? You can set these up any way you want, with the chip you want, the flavoring you want. And the idea here is you force it into the beef, right? Pressing down on it. That'll get some of these chips into the ground beef itself. And, oh man, you're going to end up with a crispy, flavorful cheeseburger with a cool factor. The kids will not have seen this before, and they're going to want a bunch, all right? So again, we're going to shape the burgers, make them look real pretty, right? Just keep forcing it down in there. And just make a nice round shape of it. Simple to do. Oh man, I'm telling you, these are good. All right, now to the grill we go. We've got a temperature of about maybe 350 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit in there. It's fairly hot. We're not going direct over the coals, kind of indirect. We want to manage the heat. We don't want to burn it underneath first. And for this recipe, to get it right, use the cover on your grill so we can heat it like an oven. And in the miracle of time, as you know, this is what you end up. A crispy burger. Oh man, I'll tell you what. Now, set them up the way you want. We're going to use a double chip cheeseburger on our bun right here. Are you kidding me? Lord have mercy. The heck with Uncle Harry's Burgers this year. Make your own, make them crispy. Take a look at that. Oh, man. And there'll be a crunch in every bite. Serious. Oh, it's good. Oh. So to get this recipe, head on over to our website. And while you're there, start a chapter. We've got nearly 18,000 in over 100 countries. We'd be proud to have you. So the next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, check out BBQPitBoys.com.